Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir Prasad. Hello, good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir. Sir, दो ही है sir.
Yes, yes. First तो ये please don't on your mic and video. Second, don't send any unnecessary message because this class will be recording. Okay, recording is already started. The next is if you are joining by G Suite ID, you can join without my permission, but you cannot join by any other ID. Okay. I think the 44 students are already joined the Google Classroom. So there is no problem to joining this class. But till now, only 2 students joined. Sir Prasad, are you listening? Sir Prasad, please on your mic.
Yes, sir.
जब आपने ज्वाइन करने के लिए पूछा तो कोई परमिशन मांगा क्या?
नहीं सर, डायरेक्ट इन हुआ सर.
Yes, directly. So that is the also benefit. So now let's start today's class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, the chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. So before we start this chapter, first we will discuss is there any portion deleted from this chapter or not. I think most of you already observed what is the deleted portion. Once again, I am telling to you, is there only one topic has been deleted. The topic is the application of real life situation based on the sum of AP up to the n numbers. Means what problems based on the sum up to n numbers. So this topic has been removed. You can also see the related portion as well as also the device syllabus. I already sent. So we start. In our daily life, we observe many different type of patterns, designs, numbers. Okay, I am telling you some examples. What are the types of pattern? Patterns. Okay. Suppose that one person got a job in a company and his starting salary is rupees 5,000, and there is an annual increment, that is the 500. That is the 500 annual increment. So after the 1 year, his salary will be 5,500. What will be the salary after the 2 years completed? Again plus 500. Correct answer, Sushant? So it will be 600, and here the 5,500 is your annual increment. So the salary will be adding 500 every year. So the next year salary will be 6,500. This is one example. Now, second example. This is a unit square. Means the side of this square is 1 unit. If we draw the square of two sides, 2 units, then what is the number of square in this new figure? That is 4 in this one. Next, if we draw the square, unit square of the side 3 units, then what will be the number of the square? We can see here the number of the square is 9. We can also write that is the square of 1, that is the square of 2, that is the square of 3. So in this example, we are getting a patterns. Means the number of square is the square of the number of sides. Here the number of sides 1, so the number of square is 1. Here the number of sides is 2, so the number of square is the square of 2, 4. Here is the number of sides is 3, so the number of square is 9. We can also say the next example. Generally, in metro cities, we travel by the auto or taxi. What is the travel of auto or taxi? The charges of fare for the first kilometer will be the same, but for additional kilometer there will be also another charges. We also solved some problem based on this in the third and fourth chapter. So, for example, if the charges for first kilometer is rupees 15, and there is an additional charge for per kilometer is rupees 8. So, what is the charge for the second kilometer is 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. Then, what should be the charge for up to the 3 kilometers? So again 23 is the charge for 2 kilometers. For additional kilometer again 3. Let's do 23 plus 8 is equal to 31. Again, for the next logiters, 31 plus 8, 39. So this will be continuing going on. So these are the some patterns we also observe in some art designs, in some also other daily life situations. Can anybody let me one example? Only by comment. Anybody, did you observe in your daily life situations? Can anybody?
Sir, repeat once again, sir.
I already told this class will be recording. So please don't on your mic. You can comment. I am seeing. Who told recently? Who told recently? Anybody? Can anybody let me know the anyone example of patterns did you see in your life in daily life situations? Rizal MB, please reply. Yeah, pyramid. Yeah, we can also say. Okay, so in all these examples above, we observe some patterns. In some examples, we find that the succeeding term means जो next term आने वाला है. And the next important point, who joined the class late? Please don't ask me, sir. Please repeat once again, because every 5 minutes one student join. वो सर मुझे repeat once again करिए, तो हमारा topic तो आगे नहीं होगा ना. Second, I will also try the recording of this class will be uploaded on the YouTube. Okay, so I will send the link of YouTube, then you can see again and again many of times. Okay, I hope you understood. So in sum, we find that the succeeding term is next term, जो आगे वाला है, आने वाला है, are obtaining by adding a fixed number. In other, by multiplying with a fixed number. So इन पैटर्न्स में हमें सक्सीडिंग टर्म कैसे मिलता है? या तो हम एक फिक्स वैल्यू को हम ऐड करें या हम उससे मल्टीप्लाई करें. एक और एग्जांपल लिख लीजिए मल्टीप्लाई का. For first number is 2, the second number is 4, next number is 8, next 16, next 32. So in this example, we are getting the succeeding term by multiplying by 2. 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. So in most of the examples patterns, there are two types of getting the succeeding term. The first type is by adding a fixed number. The second type is by multiplying by a fixed number. You can observe these in these examples. In another, we find that they are squares of consecutive number and so on. And also कुछ एग्जांपल्स में हमें स्क्वायर करना पड़ेगा, जैसा अभी हमने स्क्वायर के एग्जांपल्स में देखा. वहां जो कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर्स हैं लाइक एज 1 2 3, हम उनका स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं. 1 का स्क्वायर 1, the square of 2 is 4, the square of 3 is 9. So there are some situations possible in different patterns and designs examples. So in this chapter we shall discuss one of these patterns in which succeeding terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. So इस चैप्टर में हम इन टाइप्स में से ओनली वन टाइप्स का स्टडी करेंगे. व्हाट इज द टाइप जिसमें सक्सीडिंग नंबर प्रीसीडिंग नंबर में एक फिक्स वैल्यू को ऐड करने पर हमें मिलता है. ओनली दिस टाइप. not by the multiplying and not by the squares. We shall also see how to find their sum, nth term, and sum up to the n consecutive terms. And also we will use this property to solve some daily life situations, real life problems. Okay, so this is just introductions. What is the AP and what is the use, what are the types, and what is the basic concept of AP that I introduced to you. So let's continue. Arithmetic progression we also say as AP. Okay, so we will use the term AP for arithmetic progression in this chapter. Now, what is the exact definition of AP? An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. So it is a list of numbers in which we get the next term or succeeding term by adding a fixed number, fixed value to the preceding term except first term. फर्स्ट टर्म को हम किसी भी प्रीसीडिंग नंबर में एडिंग नंबर के उसे ऑब्टेन नहीं कर सकते हैं, जरूरी वो हमें गिवन होगा, बट आफ्टर फर्स्ट टर्म हम वी कैन फाइंड मेनी ऑफ अनलिमिटेड द नेक्स्ट और सक्सीडिंग टर्म्स. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज कॉमन डिफरेंस. In the definition of AP, we use a word by adding a fixed number. So what is the fixed number? The fixed number is called the common difference of the AP. So जो fixed number हम add कर रहे हैं, that is called the common difference of AP. What are the possible values of common difference? It may be positive, it may be negative or zero. ये zero भी हो सकता है, positive भी हो सकता है means increasing, and also negative भी हो सकता है means decreasing. So it may be negative, positive or zero. The next is we denote common difference by the letter small d. We denote by small d, that is the symbol of common difference. Okay, अब आपके मन में क्वेश्चन होगा सर कि कॉमन डिफरेंस नेगेटिव कैसे होता है. मैं इसका एग्जांपल देता हूं. सपोज दैट हमने किसी से लोन लिया है बैंक से फॉर एग्जांपल 10,000 एंड एवरी मंथ मैं 1,000 का इंस्टॉलमेंट बैंक में डिपॉजिट कर रहा हूं. ओके, तो मेरा बिफोर द फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट व्हाट इज द लोन, दैट इज द 10,000. आफ्टर सबमिटिंग द one installment of 1,000, that is remaining now 9,000, and after the second installment it will be 8,000. So now you observe in this case the value are decreasing, so the common difference is minus 1,000. So in some cases it may be positive means increasing, negative means decreasing, or zero. Both all three situations are possible. The next point, general form of an AP. Now, the general form of an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on, continue. Where A, what is the small a? That is the first term, first value, and D. D is equal to common difference. D is equal to the common difference. And this is the first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is the fourth term. We also represent these terms by A1, A2, A3, A4, dot dot, continue. Next point, you observe what the next term we are getting by adding the common difference. If the first term is A, the next term is A plus B. So we added common difference to the first term. The next is A plus 2D. So once again, we added the common difference to the previous term. So D plus D, 2D. The next is A plus 3D. And so this is continuous going on. There are two types of AP, infinite AP and finite AP. What is the infinite AP? In which AP the number of terms are infinite or unlimited. So this type of AP is called the infinite AP. And in which AP the number of terms are finite or fixed. This AP is called the finite AP. So till this stage, any doubt you can ask me regarding any question regarding the arithmetic progression. Please ask your doubt. Anybody else who joined the class late, they can also ask. Anybody else? Okay, once again listen, what is AP? AP is like a pattern in which we are getting the succeeding term by adding the fixed value to the preceding term. That's a very simple definition of AP. जिसमें हमें नेक्स्ट टर्म प्रीवियस टर्म में एक फिक्स वैल्यू ऐड करने से हमें अगेन एंड अगेन मिल रहे हैं. दिस टाइप ऑफ पैटर्न इज कॉल्ड द एपी ओनली बाय एडिंग. एंड हम एक फिक्स नंबर को ही ऐड करना है, ना कि हम एवरी टाइम हम नंबर चेंज कर दें. सर किसी में हमने 2 ऐड किया, किसी में.
We're sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again, or call your operator to help you.
I hope this is all of you are understood the concept of AP.
We're sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again, or
We
call
are
your
now
operator
going
to help
discuss
you.
the first question of exercise 5.1 and the last question of today's class. Okay, in this question, here are given some examples. You have to be only find out these examples are related to the AP or not. Okay, just only identify they are based on the AP or not.
We're sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again, or call your operator to help you. This is a recording.
First question, first point. The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is reached 15 for the first kilometer and each 8 for each additional kilometer. So this example will make an AP or not? Yeah, most of the students replied. Anybody replied? This is make an AP or not? Okay, we see by writing the figures. So for the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 15. Okay. For the second kilometer, the fare is 15 for the first kilometer and 8 for the each additional kilometer. So for the second, what the fare for second kilometer, 15 plus 8, it becomes 23. Now for the third kilometer, what will be the fare? For the third kilometer, what will be the fare? Please response. Reply. Anybody reply? Correct answer, Sanjana. For the next kilometer, this is 31, and for the fourth kilometer, this will be 39. Now observe, these values are making an AP or not? First is 15, next 23, the next is 31, the next is 39. So the difference between each two consecutive terms, that is the 8. So we will write the reason. Hence, the difference between two consecutive terms is rupees 8. So this will make an AP. So we have to write the answer by proper checking, proper write the figures, not just by simply it is an AP, it is not an AP. So the last point, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining of the cylinder at a time. So please reply. Okay, we see by some calculation. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining of the cylinder at a time. So in starting, let the volume of air present in the cylinder any variable V, because V for volume Now, after one time, when the vacuum pump removes the 1/4 air from the cylinder. So, after one time, that is the total volume, but 1/4 has been removed. So 1/4 we remove, the remaining is 3/4 B. Now, after second time, again present is 3/4 minus remaining 1/4B. This portion once again removed by the vacuum pump. So the remaining is 2/4B is equal to 1/2B. So अब now to check this will make an AP or not, observe these terms. Are they making an AP or not? I think here is the common difference of these three terms are not same. So that's why these are not making an AP. So this is our answer. So this was the last question for today's class. The remaining 2 points, third and fourth, you have to be checked. They are AP or not. Okay. So the time is over for today's class. And I think some students, some classmates, some friends of your class faced some difficulty during the class. Kindly help to each other. The next, some students were again and again joining and leaving the class. All activity of your will be recording. Please remember. So after once time joining, please don't leave the meeting. I hope you are understood. So once again, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye. You can now leave the class.